This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing the laptop for changes and safety. Create a system restore point before you change drivers or hardware settings. Connect an external USB or Bluetooth keyboard now to maintain input access. Note the laptop model and operating system, for example Windows 10 or Windows 11. Open Device Manager to identify the internal keyboard listed as standard PS/2 keyboard or HID keyboard device. Record the exact device name. This identification prevents disabling the wrong device. Use Device Manager to disable the built-in keyboard safely and reversibly. Press Win+X, then choose Device Manager from the menu. Locate the internal keyboard entry under Keyboards and confirm the exact name. Right-click the entry and choose Disable Device if available, then confirm your choice. If Disable is not present, choose Uninstall Device and check the option to delete driver files only when instructed. Reboot the laptop and verify the external keyboard works, and the built-in keyboard no longer responds. If Device Manager cannot disable the keyboard, check BIOS or UEFI settings next. Reboot and press F2 or Del to enter BIOS. Look for an option to disable the internal keyboard and save changes if available. If BIOS lacks that option and you are comfortable opening the laptop, power down, remove the battery when possible, and carefully disconnect the keyboard ribbon cable from the motherboard. Reconnect later to restore function. Use Device Manager or a system restore point to reinstall drivers if you need to enable the keyboard again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.